लद्दाख लड़ते आया है, लद्दाख लड़ रहा है और लद्दाख लड़ते रहेगा अपने कल्चर के लिए, अपनी आइडेंटिटी के लिए और अपने इन्वायरमेंट के लिए।
बीजेपी के लोग ये जानते हैं कि अगर आपको रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया जाए तो फिर वो आपसे आपकी जमीन नहीं छीन पाएंगे। मामला जमीन का है।
Protections that once kept outsiders from buying land or taking government jobs vanished with Article 35A. Ladakhis began asking, who controls our land, who gets our jobs, and what happens to our fragile environment?
मोटरसाइकिल में मैंने पूरे लद्दाख का चक्कर काटा है। जो गांधी जी की विचारधारा है, कांग्रेस पार्टी की विचारधारा है, वो लद्दाख के खून में और डीएनए में है। हेलो, हाउ आर यू? हाउ यू? How are things back home?
24 सितंबर का जो इंसिडेंट था सर, that was the blackest day in the history of Ladakh sir. We lost our 4 young brave-hearted men जिन्होंने लद्दाख के लिए, लद्दाख की पहचान के लिए उन्होंने अपनी जान की शहादत दी और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया पे अभी भी उसका कोई असर नहीं हो रहा है।
When there were open fire on the protesters, one of the main questions that arises is who gave the orders to openly fire on the innocent unarmed people, and did they follow the proper protocol? They were openly firing on innocent people, and how can you justify that? That is one of the saddest thing that we have to see in a democratic country like India, where we said that everybody has a right to live, but you cannot have for political dissent and different opinion.
लोग कहते हैं 4 ही लोग मरे, गोली उन्होंने बहुत लोगों पे चला है सर, मरे सिर्फ 4।
There's videos of this going on.
Yes. And सर ज़्यादातर लोगों के छाती पे गोली लगा हुआ है, पेट में गोली लगा हुआ है।
It's not a good example for the rest of the country.
Right. Absolutely.
Do you understand that? Yes. And how you have been treated is not fair.
Right, sir. Right.
The government does not understand India is a multicultural, multi-religious country. This is really the fight between us and them.
Yes.
You know? They don't understand actually what India is. You can see it. Same thing is happening in different parts of the country. It's happening in Manipur, you can see. But unfortunately, people are suffering.
A large chunk of our land is being taken for solar power.
Just given to his friend.
To his friends, Mr. As you know, Adani. So
Interesting.
yeah.
This is the pressure land that they have given just for transmission infrastructure from the national grid to Ladakh. They have allocated around 20,000, almost 21,000 crores of funds.
Government funds
Yes, government funds.
to help him build his thing.